Check it out. We got a box from Scott Castler at Hummel Engines. Should be my balanced assembly. Hopefully, it's not damaged. I was kind of worried because just as soon as this hit FedEx, it got delayed in someplace in Arizona, not far from where he shipped it. I was like, man, I hope it hasn't been totally destroyed. But let's get it opened up and find out. Now, what I ended up getting, I was originally going to go with a 69 by 88, which would be the 28 horse. Well, he didn't have those cylinders, so he talked me into a 92. And I was like, fine, 69, 92. And then when he got down to start actually building it, he calls me, well, I'm going to have to order the 92s in. How about a 94? So this is a 69 by 94. And I've got a prop hub in there too. What do we got here? Engine bearings, front seal, and a bolt and a washer, and a little bracket. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2. Prop hub, flange. Let's check out these cylinders. Well, that wasn't the end that was busted in the bag. Ooh. Now that's thin. But I suppose that's probably the way they're built. No damage. Of course, the FedEx guys drop the stuff off on the porch and run. So it's not like I can inspect stuff before they get going. No damage there. Looks good. And having this will start letting me, I can get the case board out. This is another important step for final assembly. And we have a really nice prop hub. And right now, very soon, Culver should be making me a prop. I called her a week or so ago. One connecting rod. Connecting rod number 2. And for the really important piece. Looks nice. You can see these take a really nice size counterweight to balance everything out. There's the other side. Welded on both sides. And then clearanced around there. And I've got a mag. I'll have to figure out, I have to look at the plan and see what I need to build to hook that up to it. Had him drill it for the mag, but have to get the mag out and see what I need to do to fasten it together. Well, let me go get that other crank. Well, as I'm sitting here editing my video, I realized I lost some footage from out in the shop. The last little bit you heard was me hammer testing the new half VW crank as opposed to the 4-cylinder crank that came out of my engine. As you can tell, the other one is cast. So it is not good at all for a half VW. It would make a good 4-cylinder engine crank because no faster than these turn, but it's no good to weld on being cast. So I'll set it aside. I would say if I need another 69 millimeter rotating assembly, I'll just get it from Scott Castle. If I was going to build something like a scat crank or something, I might build that and weld on it myself and then send it out to be balanced. But next up, well, there's a lot of things next. I don't know what I'm going to do exactly, but one of them that's going to be coming up soon is going to be boring the cases to fit those new cylinders. So I'll be watching for that. Other than that, that's all. Everything in the package looked good, no damage. So like and subscribe if you want to keep up with this build. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.